The surface finish looks good, but check the tolerance on the trigger pocket.
Running the CMM now. Initial readings look within spec.
The steel shipment just arrived. Let's get the crucibles ready.
Grade looks high carbon, perfect for the receiver frames.
Wait for 2,500 degrees before we start the first press.
The geometry is spot on, and send these to the milling station.
Pathing looks clean. The bolt carrier channel is perfect.
Starting the handguard and rail systems now.
Lightweight but durable.
Straight as an arrow. Let's get it to the rifling machine.
Standard 1" 9 twist, exactly what the specs call for. And
time for the trunnion press fit.
No micro cracks. This steel heat treatment worked perfectly.
Make sure that weld is deep. It takes a lot of force. clean cast, send it to the finishing line.
We start the assembly by introducing the trigger group. Using needle nose pliers, carefully place the spring and sear onto the housing.
Testing the reset now.
Trigger pull is a crisp 4 pounds.
The parkerization looks even on all units.
Keep it smooth. These need to run in any environment.
Check the ergonomics on this batch, make sure the grip is tight.
Check the feed tension.
Feeds clean. Feeds clean.
Sights are straight. No canting on the gas block.
This one is ready for the test range. Let's verify the cycle rate. Range hot. Firing sequence in 3, 2, 1.
Gas pressure is consistent. No malfunctions in the cycle.
Clean it well before packaging.
This is unit number 500 for the day. Moving fast today.
The crate is closed, and a pneumatic nail gun seals the lid. Chuck, chuck, goes the nailer.
Ready for shipping! Get these to the warehouse!